Hey guys, how is everybody doing today? I'm just showing you my current situation. It is raining in my neck of the woods. It is cold outside. I'm going to take you to the front and let you see how wet it is here. And it's very cold. It's a cold rain, and it's nothing worse than a cold rain. Oh, I'm just gonna let you kind of see up the street and what is going on all around here. It is so cold. Just wanted to show you what's really happening in my neck of the woods. I'm trying to stay warm and dry, but I had to come out. I'm getting ready to run to the Dollar Tree to see what I can find. I need batteries and all kinds of other things uh, that's essentially necessary in this weather. So I will catch you guys in just a bit. You can see the rain is coming down. This is Patty, Patty 7 Kitchen and More. And please like, please watch, please subscribe, share, follow, give a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. I'll talk to you guys soon.